Hi, welcome to DevOps Central. In this video I'll show you how easy it is to install or upgrade and downgrade Grafana on an Ubuntu VM. So let's get right into it. First, go to the grafana.com website, go to Downloads, select Self-Managed, Downloads, next select OSS, the correct version. In this case we are going to go for the latest one. And then you get here all the commands required to perform an installation on Ubuntu. Some prerequisites. Next, we are going to download the Grafana package. And then, using the Debian package manager, install Grafana on our Ubuntu VM. Alright, that's it. Next, let's see if our service for Grafana is running. It's all looking very well. Now, default Grafana is running on port 3000, but let's verify if this is the case. Now, zof -i grep Grafana. There you have it, Grafana running and listening on port 3000. Since we are using VirtualBox, we also need to add a port forwarding rule in order to be able to access Grafana from our host. Let's do this. Add, give it some meaningful name. I'm going to put here Grafana VM host IP, just going to be accessible from my laptop. Port 831 is accessible. Then the IP of our VM, it's 10.0.2.15. Guest port 3000, okay. And now we should be able to access Grafana from our host. Let's give it a try. Looking very good. Right, default user admin. Password first time is also admin. You are required to enter a new password the first time you log in. And we are up and running. We are able to create some fancy new dashboards in Grafana. Version 10.4.1, so it's also correct. Now, let's say you installed an incorrect version, you want to perform a download and downgrade. Again, very easy. Using wget download the package. Install the package. The package manager is going to see that it needs to perform a downgrade from 10.4.1 to 10.3.4. Now let's see if our service is still running. Yes. Started successfully. Now let's go and see our version, and our downgrade was successful. 10.3.4. Okay, so in the next video we are going to install Prometheus and create our first dashboards. In able to do this, we are first now going to upgrade again to 10.4.1 so we have a correct situation. Installation successful. Again, let's verify. Refresh. 10.4.1. Alright.